Hi, Tita Janet! Happy Mother's Day! Ingat ka lagi dyan sa trabaho mo. Miss you so much. Gusto yung kulitan natin, asaran natin. Lagi tayong nagbabanding doon sa food trip ba. Ingat ka lang lagi dyan. Sana pag dating mo dito, magkaroon din tayo ng mga good pagid na memories. Love you. Ingat. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day.
Everyone, happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga mama dyan at lalo na kay Jan Day. Ingat ka lagi ha. God bless you.
Hi everyone! Happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, especially to my sister. Happy Mother's Day. Mag-ingat ka palagi, ingatan mo sarili mo. Sana soon makakauwi ka na para magkakasama na tayo. Alam mo naman na ilang taon ka rin na hindi ka namin nakita, nakasama. Sana soon magkakasama na tayong pamilya. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Ingat ka dyan.
Hi Ma! Happy Mother's Day! Ingat ka po dyan palagi. Mahal ka namin. I love you.
Hi, Ate Sandra! Ako kay Happy Mother's Day and advance happy birthday. Amping dia kanunay. God bless. Love you. Dodong, love ka ni Dodong. Ulaw-ulaw.
Dodong isang buling.
Love you, Ma. Ano na yun?
Love you, ma. Sige na.
Ulo, Toy.
Ay.
Tatay na lang.
Day, happy birthday. Ya, amping lang kanunay diya. Ya, ang allowance po namo para ko. Permanente ka short ane.
Okay, di na ni Bebe.
Ina ni bebe. Pato na. Ako ay kamay.
Happy birthday! Uli na dire. Gulong. Happy birthday, Te! More. Mother's Day! We love you!
Lagi.
Oh, si Daddy pahabol.
Happy birthday.
Oh, 14. Advance.
Hikay, kada balay hikay na.
Pista man.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! Love you! Thank you for being an amazing mother. We are so lucky to have you, and we appreciate your love and care. And again, Happy Mother's Day, Mama!
Happy Mother's Day, Mama! I just wanted to say thank you for all the love and support and care for us. We really appreciate it. And also, I hope you're doing okay there. Always take care and be safe with you and Daddy. We really miss you so bad and we love you so much. I wish you're by my side right now, to be honest. We love you again. Happy Mother's Day!
Mother's Day, thank you for being a very kind mother to your daughters and your sons, and also to me. And I hope you can have a good time. Bye!
Magandang umaga po sa ating mga kapatid sa LOS at Kuya Roland, thank you for this very short notice. Ayan, literal, ano ba yung sinasabi nila? Walk up like this.
Yun, marami pong salamat sa ating mga kapatid dyan sa LOS at maraming pong salamat sa patuloy na pag-alala nyo sa aming pamilya. And thank you also for this opportunity to greet and extend our greetings sa ating mga butihing ina, mga dakilang ina ng LOS, and to Ate Tere and to Ate Pia. Maraming salamat sa mga buhay niyo. I myself is a mother, pero I can personally say na you have also encouraged me to be a strong and a good mother each day. Maraming salamat sa mga buhay niyo. I'm so blessed, and I'm praising God sa buhay niyo dahil as you know, pangalawang magulang din, pangalawang ina rin kayo sa anak ko. Maraming salamat for extending the warmth, your heart, and for extending your joy sa pagtingin-tingin, pag-aaruga sa anak ko kapag wala ako dyan. I praise God that they have wonderful mothers in their congregation, such the two of you, and I'm praying na the Lord will always strengthen you, bless you, and provide for every needs that you have. Please know na your family are always blessed, and they are so blessed to have both of you as their mothers. Maraming salamat, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the day, and God bless you both. Thank you, and we miss you. Happy Mother's Day.
Hi Ma, happy Mother's Day. I love you. Thank you always.
Miss Jimmy, maraming salamat sa pag-alaga nyo, pag-unawa at mga payo nyo. Isa kang mahalagang parte sa buhay namin. At napakaswerte namin na mga apo nyo na ikaw ang naging lola namin. Mahal na mahal ka namin, May.
Mother's Day, May, lagi kang mag-iingat. Miss na kita, miss ko na yung luto mo. Thank you sa pagmamahal. Kahit sa konting panahon na nakasama mo ko. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Stay healthy. I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day. We love you.
Bonjour to Mami Wilma. Happy Mother's Day. Enjoy your stay there in Riyadh, and then lagi ingatan ang sarili, and regards to all. Happy Mother's Day.
Trusting you.